Today we are going to review this Yeti mic by Logitech, and it's the blue one. I can't wait to get into the box to see what's in here. Sometimes I have a little bit of an issue with my voice and my vocal cords, and I don't want to strain. So I looked into microphones, and this one was affordable. So keep in mind, I read that this Blue Yeti, the microphone by Logitech, is user friendly, and that also goes well with anybody that is maybe a little bit technically challenged. But it also works for people that are very driven in the IT field and they just want something very easy to use. I know some of you love to see the whole unveil, unboxing, but I'm not going to do that today. I will tell you it was difficult for me to open the box because it doesn't open from the top. So focus on opening from the side. A little bit different, but it opened fine once I figured that out. This is what was in the box. I will tell you, I had a bit of trouble opening the box, like I said before. So make sure that you have your box on a hard surface where nothing can fall out because this cord and the instructions just kind of fell out. But the microphone itself is quite heavy and it was pretty secured in the box. So you don't have to worry about that falling. Keep in mind, this mic is quite heavy, so you want to make sure that you are on a solid surface so that you do not damage your product, and just know that it's quite heavy before you even get it out the box. The other thing that's important to note is that these knobs are very important on the side. Once you get it out the box, the area is quite loose. You want to make sure that you put it on a hard surface and go ahead and tighten your microphone so that it's not like flopping all over the place. This thing came with two pieces, the USB cord and the microphone. I am going to take my risk and get right in there without using the instructions. However, it did come with some instructions, and so for those who like reading, go for it. Take your cord. This piece goes directly into the microphone, while this piece will go into your computer source, whether you're using a laptop or tablet. With me, I have to use an adapter because this piece will not go directly into my tablet. I'm using a Microsoft Office Surface. So simple, you just get an adapter and you plug that piece into the adapter, and then that piece goes directly into your tablet. When I hook this up to my computer, I'm going to lose audio because I'm now using the microphone through my Surface. So I'm going to have to make sure that this microphone, the Yeti Logitech microphone, is hooked up and you guys can hear me. So I may lose audio just for a second, but once I get the microphone connected through the software that I'm using, you'll continue hearing me. Testing, testing. Make note, when this thing is blinking, you are not recording. When it is hot and it is recording, it stays red. So you would take the actual cord that came with your headphones to connect your headphones to your microphone. If you want to hear your audio play back, you must use your headphones or disconnect your mic and use your software through your computer or your tablet. Remember to plug the opposite side of your cord from your headphones to the base of the microphone, which is right here, right? So this is to hear your audio recorded using your new mic. Very easy. Now your mic's all hooked up, you got your headphones all straight. Now you can hear your audio through your headphones and you can hear the crisp sound because I already hear it. It's so much better. Hopefully you guys can hear me better and you can go out and get your Blue Yeti microphone. Again, I'm not getting paid for this stuff. I'm just helping you save money. I have gone through a couple of different microphones and I landed on the Blue Yeti, and it's user friendly and it's very affordable. Remember, when your light is blinking, you have your microphone on mute. That's the most important thing I can share with you. Very easy connection, very crisp sound. I'm very satisfied with the microphone. It is a plug and play, so remember that. If you like this video, subscribe and like, please.
Get it if you can. If you cannot, get up off the pot. You've been missing, pissing up the spot a lot, and I've been waiting on the sideline. Give you the guideline. Get up in that pocket like a pocket light, but they don't rock it right. They don't concern me. Can't even burn me, not even with a lighter. All them liars, they ain't worthy. You heard me. I'm a loner, me, myself, and I. I'm a powerhouse, ready to collapse. The greatest goddess like a typhoon in the making. What I'm saying, leave your whole city shaking. Broke down, better start praying. I ain't playing, this ain't hopscotch.